Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're looking at Relieflogix X glasses. You've probably seen the ads, auto-adjusting lenses, no prescription needed, and it sounds amazing, right? But let's dig into the facts. Relieflogix claims their glasses automatically adjust from 100 to 700 diopters. They say you can clearly see at any distance without an eye exam. They also mention blue light blocking and lenses that darken in sunlight. Plus, they promise instant vision correction the moment you put them on. Here's the truth. Real prescriptions typically range from -10 to +10 diopters. A 700 diopter range is physically impossible with current technology. Eye doctors and optometrists confirm that truly auto-adjusting glasses don't exist yet. The technology simply isn't there. What are these glasses really? They're likely basic magnifiers with adjustable dials. Think cheap reading glasses with a twist mechanism. They can correct astigmatism, which affects most people, and they won't match your actual prescription needs. They can't address complex vision problems, and they can't replace a real eye exam from a professional. Let's talk warning signs. The website uses fake countdown timers to create urgency. They show limited stock alerts to rush you into buying, and customer photos appear copied from other websites and stock image sites. Many actual reviewers report these glasses cause headaches and eye strain instead of helping vision. The price is another major issue. Similar glasses sell on wholesale sites like Alibaba for just $2 to $5. Relieflogix X charges significantly more for basically the same generic product. That's a huge markup for something that doesn't work as advertised. So, is Relieflogix X actually worth it? Absolutely not. These glasses use false claims and impossible science to deceive customers. If you need vision help, go see a real eye doctor and get a proper prescription tailored to your specific needs. Thanks for watching, don't fall for the hype, and stay safe out there.